Take a look at this 1978 Chevrolet Camaro here at Unique Specialty and Classics. This particular car powered by a 305 V8 underneath the hood. That is paired up with a turbo hydromatic 350 automatic transmission. Original color, light red, paint code number 75. Let you take a close look at the front fascia here. It does have a few little imperfections on it here and there. But as you can see, paint shows well on it, has a nice shine to it. It's one of those, get in it, drive it, have a little fun. Power steering, power brakes, AC. It appears all the AC components are there. I've not had the compressor kick on and off, FYI. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the engine bay, the underside of this car, check out the underside of the car. Look at the pans, look at the frame. Actually check at on the trunk picture. Looks like the original trunk floor is in back there. You'll see that in the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. As you can see, riding on the turbine style wheel. A couple little marks along the outside. We get kind of fussy right on the body line, but again, you can see the paint. It's a nice luster to it. Good shine. Black vinyl interior, bucket seat car. That's the way this would have been produced back in 1978. Center console, and of course the floor shifter. Still has the original AC Delco radio in it that is in working order. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. You get a look at the rear of the car, and again, you can see a few little touch-up spots in the red paint. Previous owner has taken care of it, maybe touched it up if it's got a little nick or something here or there. Take a look up and down the driver's side. Appears to be a straight car. You can take a look in the still pictures too around the wheel wells. Nothing appears to be bubbling or coming out or through, or any real, thick body work done to it. Again, you can see how straight that is. Fun car to get into the collector car hobby without breaking the bank of a Z28 or T-top, a real high-end car. Fun one to get in, drive it, take to your local roll-ins, cruise-in shows, have a little fun. As you can see, seats appear to be free of rips, tears, holes, anything like that. Headliner intact. Let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. We'll check out the engine bay. Tilt column, wipers do work, radio does work. See how easily it starts. Let it warm up here a second. Well, as a cold start, we'll get it off the high idle. Hey, and take a look at the dash. Looking good there. There we go, off high idle. Slip around to the back, no crazy exhaust, anything like that on it. The way you'd expect a 78 Camaro to sound. All right, let's slip up to the front. I'm going to pause this a second. I'm going to pop the hood. Let's check out that engine bay and we'll wrap this video.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we go, hood popped. Looks like new master cylinder proportioning valve. Again, there's the AC. Again, power brakes, power steering. It appears the components are there. A little TLC with the AC going. And 305 V8 paired up with that automatic transmission. Turbo hydromatic 350. Smooth running engine. It looks pretty stock. 1978 Chevrolet Camaro. Light red in color. Black vinyl interior. The way it started out life. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. We can take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate. Any call in or email.